Plunging into the ocean's depths, we encounter the colossal squid, the largest invertebrate, brandishing tentacles that can span up to 30 feet. Next, witness the immortal jellyfish, defying nature by reverting to its polyp state, thereby evading death. Then behold the peacock mantis shrimp, delivering strikes to its prey at speeds reaching 50 miles per hour. And finally, the anglerfish, a grotesque spectacle enticing its prey with a luminescent appendage. 4 oceanic wonders, each more fascinating than the last. Join me next time in